Guys, good morning. Today is walking day or jogging day. Dahil tumataba na tayo, need na natin ng jogging and some exercise.
Luway lang, lakaw lang dapat doon.
Tararara.
Igdig ka lang sa piling.
Ayan guys, may aso. May aso. Huwag natin kakagatin, doggy ha. Don't bite us.
Para maagot. Agot na.
So this is the way going to Balatasan.
Kanto lang. Kanto baga nag-igdikitan nila